Hi everyone, let's see how you can install the TP-Link's WN823N Wi-Fi adapter without a CD. So the PC I am currently using has an active internet connection, so I'll be using it to download the driver. You can also do the same, or if you don't have any internet connection, then you can use the USB tethering feature from your mobile phone to download the driver. So let's get started. To begin, simply open a browser and search with the Wi-Fi adapter model name. Then go to the official web page of TP-Link. Here you will find all the drivers for Windows, Mac and Linux. So as per your operating system, you can download the driver. I'll be downloading the Windows one. Once you download the driver, simply copy this driver to a USB drive so that you can use on the computer where you want to install the Wi-Fi adapter. Now moving on to the main PC, simply connect your USB drive and copy the downloaded file and paste it in a desirable location. Now extract the contents of the folder. Now inside the extracted folder you will get a setup file. Simply right click over it and run it as administrator. Now it will look for your Wi-Fi adapter. Simply connect it to your PC and click on retry to begin the installation. That's it, the installation is done. Now it will ask you whether you want to install the WPS feature. If you want, you can ignore this part. Click on no if Windows wants to access your location, and that's it, the installation is complete. Now close everything and try to connect your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can easily start browsing. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.